port of Algeciras has become a maritime reference thanks to its exceptional geostrategic location on the Strait of Gibraltar, with more than 110,000 ships sailing through annually. The port of Algeciras is an important worldwide maritime centre, which brings together an enormous diversity of traffic, including containers, bulk carriers, ro-ros, and chemical and oil tankers, making the port the 5th largest in Europe and the 1st in the Mediterranean. Crosscomar is a reputable ship repair and marine service company dedicated to offer an integral afloat repair service, not only at Algeciras and Gibraltar, but also in most Spanish ports besides Tanger Med and Casablanca. We were founded in 1991 as a response to the increasing demand for ship repair at the Strait of Gibraltar, where we have located our headquarters ever since. Our aim is to complete all tasks in a time and cost-effective manner by cooperating with our customers at all times. Our experienced workforce is ready for immediate mobilization and will complete the work when ships are at anchorage alongside or on voyage, therefore reducing off-hire cost and other expenses incurred at shipyards. Through the years, we have been working with most ship owners and have become official vendors for the largest shipping companies worldwide. Our expertise covers the following fields: steelwork, comprising renewal repair on hull, ballast and hatch; piping work on deck, engine room and tanks; workshop fabrication of pipes, sea fastenings, jib crane sections, etc. Engine, repair of main and auxiliary engines and boilers; cranks, shaft grinding; installation of new machinery; refrigeration; aircon repairs, retubing and hydraulics. Turbo repairs and overhauls, grinding, balancing and installations on board. Chris Marine equipment, for valve spindle grinding, honing of cylinder liners, valve seat grinding and surface grinding machine. Electrical automation, general electrical repairs, rewinding of motors and generators, service and maintenance, repair and control of automation for boilers and main engine. Underwater diving repair works, class inspections, hull cleaning, blanking of sea chest, propeller polishing, CCTV video, photographic and visual, welding repairs to class specifications and cofferdams. MV Kjella is our workboat, based in Algeciras and capable of transport of men and material, store supply, diving support and availability of a mobile crane on deck, anchor and chains. With our workboat, we can dismount old or damaged chains and anchors and mount new ones with the vessel anchored or alongside. She will be at your service 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, in Algeciras or anywhere you need her across the Strait of Gibraltar. At Crosscomar, our aim is to provide the best experience service to help you minimize time and worries. Crosscomar has now become a proud part of the world's largest maritime group of companies. By Nordic Made. Your needs, our command.